Welcome to the quick setup guide for the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro with the Hyperpolling wireless dongle. Let's get you gaming at a true 8000 Hz polling rate. First, grab your Hyperpolling wireless dongle and plug it into the USB port on your PC. For the best performance, use a port directly on your computer, not a hub. You'll see the LED light means it's ready. Next, open Razer Synapse. If you don't have it, download it from the Razer website. Once it's up, select the Hyperpolling wireless dongle from the device list. It should pop right up. Click Open Pairing Utility. Make sure your DeathAdder V3 Pro is in a 2.4 GHz mode. Check it's not wired or using its default dongle. Bring the mouse close to the dongle, then press and hold any button until it pairs. Synapse will confirm it's connected. Now, head to your mouse settings in Synapse. Under Performance, crank the polling rate up to 8000 Hz. This unlocks that ultra-fast response time. Hit Apply and you're set. Your Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro is now running at a peak performance with the Hyperpolling wireless dongle. Time to dominate your next match. Like and subscribe for more tips, and game on.